I love you.
What is it?
I'm standing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh.
What's that?
They gave you candy?
Oh.
Hold on, let me open it for you. There you go.
Oh. What's that? Oh.
Who gave that to you?
Oh.
Is it a heart?
Grandma Pampas.
Grandma and Pampas? Why did they send you candy? Why did they send it to you?
Thank you.
Why no? Well, thank you. That's right. But why did they send you candy? For Valentine's Day? What else did you get?
Bye.
Surprise! That's right. So what else did they send you? Your necklaces? Let me see your necklaces. How pretty. They also send you this? What are these?
Candy.
Candy? What kind?
Eat the candy.
And you got a stuffed animal? And what about this? Teddy bear? You got spoiled, huh? What do you say to Grandma and Pampas?
Thank you.
You say I love you.
I love
And happy Valentine's Day. Hey, say bye-bye.